Okay. H. E. P. P. Y. Happy birthday! Happy birthday.
Birthday po. Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. I am so sorry. Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Jess. Happy birthday. Ate Jess, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
Birthday, Ate Jess. Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Ate Jess, happy birthday.
I love you. Happy birthday, Ate.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessica. God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess.
Guys, meron tayong kahapon. Tatlong magazine, isang payong, tsaka isang dictionary. Oh, sige. Ganito na, bubunutin niya na.
Nandito lang kami.
Ay, yung mga honors na yung pabubunutin ko. Ay, ba yan? Pwede. Kaya, kaya? Okay. Kaya natin kaya.
Happy birthday po.
Ate Jess, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana more stories to come. Sana makita kita soon. Happy birthday, bye.
Hi, Ate Jessica! Happy birthday! More stories to make this. Hindi ka na para makita ng mga Hi, Ate Jess! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday! Thank you Thank you kasi, kasi kami, fan mo kami, tapos na-inspire mo kami sa stories. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! To you! Hi, Ate Jessica. Happy birthday! Sana mamit kita sa uwi ka po ulit. Bye-bye! Hi, Ate Jessica. Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and sana pabalik ka dito sa mga. Thank you. Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Jessica!
Hello, Ate Jess. Happy birthday. I am so sorry. I look so pale and yes, I am really sick. But I still wish you a happy birthday again. Good health and more blessings to come. Thank you so much for being my ate. Even though I am just 2 months older. But you know how much I love you and I will see you soon, okay? Bye-bye!
Ate Jess, happy birthday! Si Candy to. Enjoy your day and stay humble. Tapos, congratulations sa success mo. Sa mga narating mo and sana magpatuloy pa yun. I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday! See you soon!
Hi, Ate Jess. This is Arlena. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and may you keep inspiring other people through your stories. Sayang gusto kita ma-meet since yung unang dating mo dito sa Pilipinas. So, hope to see you real soon. Take care, Mama. Keep writing. Good luck sa career mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jessica! When you get back, kailangan na talaga natin lumabas kasi ngayon, ang bilis mo lalabas sa rest hindi na alas eh. Kaya next time talaga kailangan lumabas. Happy birthday! Ano ko si Hi, Miss Jessica. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Jess. Happy birthday. Sana makita ka pa next time.
Birthday, Ate Jess!
Mama. Saan ka na pumunta doon?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Nag-text na si Kuya Richard.
Happy birthday!
Kaya Ate Jessica, happy birthday. Tapos, see you pag umuwi ka dito sa Philippines kasi di ba meron pa tayo
Natawag din ako kapag.
Ingat!
Happy birthday, Jessica! We miss you!
Hi, Jessica! Happy Palm Bay. Saan siya ulit?
Florida.
Florida. Happy birthday. Hope to see you.
Guess what? Kung kailan to. Happy birthday! Sana magkikita pa tayo the soonest time possible. It's either ikaw ang pupunta dito, ako pupunta dyan.
Wow,
Okay? Okay. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Ate Jess. Happy 24th birthday po. Yan. Tandaan nyo na. Joke. So, sana po maging masaya po yung araw na to sa inyo. And keep writing. Good luck po sa career nyo po. And, di ko po alam kung out na ang take to ngayon. Or coming pa. Pero, I really hope na makita na po yung take 2, yung books niyo po sa National Bookstore, everywhere, anywhere. So, keep writing. Yun. Tapos, good luck po sa board exam niyo po. And, sana po magtrabaho na po kayo kasi ang tali-talino niyo na po, hindi niyo na po kailangang mag-aaral. so, ayun po. Po masasabi ko. Sana po maging movie na yung, A Place in Time. Kasi, deserving siya maging movie at hindi ito dapat palampasin ng Star Cinema. I'm sure, if hindi ito maging movie, malaki ang mawawala sa Star Cinema kapag hindi ito lumabas sa big screen. I'm very sure of that. So, ate, thank you po sa lahat. Yun, wala na akong masabi. Lahat alam nyo na, thank you. Thank you. Andito lang po kami mga fans nyo po. Lalo na po ako to support you. And if you need anything, any help at all, kung kailangan nyo man po, nandito lang po kami. Lalo na po yung mga admin, si Ate Jam, Ate Len, tapos yung mga supporters nyo po. Ayun. Happy birthday po ulit. Yan. Tapos po, sana po, umuwi po kayo ulit ng Philippines para po mayakap ko po kayo ulit. Tapos makapag-bonding pa po tayo. More bonding po. Tapos, yun po, ingat po lagi. God bless. Tapos, hi, Tita Irma. Kung sakali po nanonood po kayo. Hello po. Yan. Hello po, Tita. Ako. Sana po makita ko po kayo ulit. So, hi din po sa Afinidad, Concha, and Palma family. God bless din po sa family niyo po. Yun po. Dami ko na sinasabi. Ayun po. Salamat po. Ash, signing out. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!